Okie dokie. So we have our app running. Everything is working so far. Okay, so we want to deploy static pages to a local local server, and we're gonna use an app, well, an extension called serve. All right. So first thing you need to do is you need to go to this script thingy. You can either put it in here or you need to stop the server first. Yeah, that's what you need to do. Okay. So the first thing you need to do is you need to put and next export like this, or you can do this export command, right? Now, when you do this, you're gonna have to use build anyway. Next build and next export. So when you do next export, it creates a folder called out, and that out will contain all of your static pages. All right, and that's how you can actually upload it to Netlify if you want, or GitHub and Netlify is going to work as well. All right, so the first thing we need to do is we need to test whether our app is good to go for production. So we can just run a mock build, right? This should give me two errors, right? One is going to be on the link, one is going to be on, so npm run build. So we are executing this command in here. It should give me two errors. And I'll show you how to solve them. So the first is use router, right? You cannot use router inside pages for some reason, right? So we're just gonna get rid of it like this. And the ID we can get from the database, because I mean, at the end of the day, it's exactly the same, right? It's exactly the same because the data is being filtered by context in here, and context is exactly the same as use router, right? So we don't really need use router in here. And second thing it's complaining about is the link missing pass ref. So we're gonna copy this. If you go to this page here, it will show you how to kind of handle links, okay? Yeah. So just put it in here. And wherever you have links, put it into in there. And they should fix it, right? So now we can do the full build npm run export. So now we're executing this command in here. So it's going to build it and export it. And we're going to have an out folder in here. Note, out folder is not going to be part of your GitHub push. It's going to be part of git ignore. So you don't have to worry about it. So it's building it. So now there's our folder with all the static pages in it. So next thing we do is we go to our cheat sheet and we need to install npm install, so I stands for install, serve-g globally. So once we install this, so serve is now installed. So the syntax is like this: serve-s, and now name of the folder. So it's out dash P, which is port, and you can use whatever port you want. I'm gonna use 8000. Right? Okay. So now we go to our local port 8, and there is your app basically. There it is. Let's try to do 40. Yeah, it's not found. And that's it. It works. Okay. And that's how to serve static. Take care.